Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the A&W Papa Burger Combo. So, this is one of my favorite fast food burgers. I don't know what it is with A&W. It might be the antibiotic or hormone-free beef that they use, but something about it, it just tastes really good. It also has a different type of seasoning on it than other hamburgers, and I don't know, something about it's delicious. So the Papa Burger is a double burger patty, and it's got onions, ketchup, pickles, and mustard. I got mine without mustard or pickles. So it's just the onions and ketchup on here. And I'm gonna give a review on this here. This delicious burger. Oh yeah. And the beef is seasoned really nicely. I'm not sure what their seasoning is, but it gives it a good flavor. And you can tell that they use high quality beef here. That's not the same in a lot of other restaurants, but Canada has, I spit something there. Canada has really high regulations on quality of beef, and definitely on the island that I live on too, because we're not allowed to have Taco Bell because Taco Bell's beef is not good enough quality for it to be here. So we have some pretty strong regulations around that, ensuring that this isn't too bad for you, but it's delicious. And they use real onions on it, unlike some other places, McDonald's, that uses dehydrated onions, which kind of, I don't know, I'm not a fan of. I like the real deal. Onions aren't expensive either, so they should be, you know, on a burger, but this is amazing. So you can get a Mama Burger, which is single patty, Papa Burger, which is double patty, or the Grandpa, which is triple patty. I've had the Grandpa before. It's just too much meat to, you know, bite into. Just 2 patties is more than enough, in my opinion. A&W Diet Root Beer, good burger. I don't know what it is. Their food is just amazing. I'm gonna give this one more bite, and then I'll give my final review. That's seriously so good. So yeah, I really like the Papa Burger. Any of the burgers from A&W are good. They have a nice seasoning on them. The beef, it tastes like it's quality beef, and that's huge. Some places you go to, the beef, it just tastes very greasy and like a fast food restaurant. The burgers here are a lot different, so that's one of the biggest things. And the reason I go to A&W for a burger more than other places is just it feels and tastes right. It's got good quality beef, no antibiotics, no hormones, none of that. So you're getting really high quality stuff compared to some other places. And the taste, it just reflects in that. So I would give the Papa Burger from A&W a 9 out of 10. It's one of the best hamburgers out there, in my opinion, from a fast food restaurant. At least with the selection that I have here on Prince Edward Island, Canada. It's delicious. So if you've never had it before, go check it out. A&W is classic. They're pretty much everywhere in North America, so it's pretty easy to find one. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I will see you in the next video.